Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's review is about Lowesmall Investment. You see, this platform looks so beautiful and I love the fact that it looks beautiful. But you also need to use your brain, your senses before investing on this platform. So after investing, you have to choose a platform that's an investment package and you go to finishing. And after that, just like other ones we've reviewed, you have to go to your Binance to copy your wallet address, TLC20 wallet address, bring it back to this platform, impute it, and you get your pay. Yeah, the pay is low, $1.2 every single day. So if you invest $10, do you know how many days it's going to take you to make your money back? So the only thing is you have to pray that these guys last as much as it's going to take for you to get your capital and your interest. But guys, like I do say, this is not an investment advice. You have to think again and again before investing on platforms like this, because they are high risk investment. In short, I'm not advising you to invest on this platform, but it is your risk to take. I take the risk. If you want to take it, you can also take it. But the fact that I got paid doesn't necessarily mean you also get paid. So use your what senses. Yeah, it's all your risk, it's your investment, it's your everything, and you are the owner of your own funds. So guys, if this is your first time of checking out our videos, please make sure you subscribe. I would love to see you here again and again. I love you so much and I hope to see you back again. Look at it right now. It says deposit is confirming. That means the payment went through. But like I said, mine might go, yours might not go. So it's all a risk. It's a risk. Business is a risk, life is a risk, investment is a risk, but this one is extremely risky. So it all depends on your take. In my last 2 weeks, my last 1 month, we've seen investment the last 3 months. So just pray you don't lose your funds. That's all. Now, it is not my concern or anything if anything happens to your funds, but I love you so much. I hope to see you back next time. Bye for now.